Ever wondered how software developers ensure the quality of their code? Well, software inspection plays a crucial role. It's a systematic process where software artifacts are examined and evaluated closely by a group of individuals. This could be peers, team members, or even external reviewers. Their goal: to identify any defects, bugs, errors, or inconsistencies early in the development process, preventing these issues from sneaking into later stages. But it's not just about finding faults. Software inspection is also about improving the overall quality, reliability, maintainability, and performance of the software. It fosters a culture of knowledge sharing and collaboration, leading to better skills development within the team. Moreover, it ensures compliance with coding standards, design guidelines, and industry regulations. And let's not forget risk mitigation. Software inspection helps in identifying potential problems that could impact the success of the project. So, if software inspection is so beneficial, how exactly does it work? Let's take a closer look. Software inspection involves several key components, each contributing to its effectiveness. Let's delve into these components. First, we have preparation. This is where the groundwork for the inspection is laid. The scope, objectives, and criteria for the inspection are defined. The right participants, including reviewers and moderators, are selected. And of course, the software artifacts to be inspected, such as code files and design documents, are collected and distributed. Next, we move to the inspection meeting. This is a formal gathering where reviewers scrutinize the software artifacts and discuss their findings. It's crucial to follow a structured agenda, allocate sufficient time, and facilitate productive discussions. This stage also involves documenting identified defects, issues, and recommendations for follow-up and resolution. Then comes the review process. Here, reviewers analyze the software artifacts individually. They're on the lookout for defects, inconsistencies, violations of standards, and areas for improvement. Various review techniques are employed, like walkthroughs or technical reviews, depending on the context and objectives. Follow-up actions is the next component. Identified defects and issues are documented and prioritized based on severity, impact, and urgency. Responsibility for addressing and resolving each defect is assigned to appropriate team members. It's also important to monitor and track the resolution of defects, ensuring accountability and transparency. Finally, we have feedback and learning. Constructive feedback and suggestions are provided to authors based on the inspection findings. The inspection process is also used as a learning opportunity to improve individual and team skills, practices, and processes. Each of these components plays a crucial role in making software inspection a comprehensive and robust process. Preparation sets the stage, the inspection meeting uncovers issues, the review process deepens the analysis, follow-up actions ensure resolution, and feedback and learning cultivate continuous improvement. Each component contributes to a comprehensive and effective software inspection. But what is the impact of this process? Software inspection offers numerous benefits, impacting not just the software but the entire development team. Let's delve more into these benefits. First off, we have early defect detection. Software inspection allows us to find bugs, errors, and inconsistencies at an early stage of the development process. This early detection can save a lot of time and resources. It's like finding a small leak in a boat while it's still on land, rather than discovering it when you're in the middle of the ocean. Then we have improved code quality. By examining and evaluating software artifacts, we can improve the overall quality, reliability, maintainability, and performance of the software. It's like giving your car a thorough checkup and tune-up before hitting the road. It runs smoother, lasts longer, and gives you a better ride. Another key benefit is knowledge sharing and collaboration. When team members come together to review and discuss the software's design, code, and documentation, they share insights, best practices, and innovative ideas. This fosters a culture of learning, collaboration, and skill development within the team. It's like a group of musicians jamming together, each one contributing their unique skills and creativity to create a beautiful symphony. Reduced risk is another significant benefit. By identifying potential problems, such as software defects, security vulnerabilities, and usability issues, software inspection can mitigate risks that may impact the success of the project. It's like installing a fire alarm in your house. It doesn't prevent a fire, but it alerts you early enough to minimize damage and ensure safety. Lastly, we have process improvement. The feedback, suggestions, and recommendations from the inspection can help improve individual and team skills, practices, and processes. It's like a football team reviewing their game footage. They identify what worked, what didn't, and strategize on how to perform better in the next game. Clearly, software inspection has many advantages. However, it's not without its challenges. Despite its benefits, software inspection can present some challenges. Firstly, software inspection can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. The process requires meticulous preparation, a thorough review of software artifacts, and diligent follow-up actions. This demands a significant investment of time and effort from all participants. Furthermore, the complexity of the software can add to the duration and intensity of the inspection, making it a substantial commitment for the team. Secondly, subjectivity can creep into the process. Software inspection, by its nature, involves human judgment and interpretation, which can lead to differing opinions and potential bias. This subjectivity can affect the consistency and reliability of the inspection results. It's essential to establish clear criteria and standards to guide the inspection and mitigate subjectivity. In addition to these, resistance to feedback can be a stumbling block. Not everyone is open to criticism, even if it's constructive. The process can sometimes be perceived as a critique of one's skills or competence, leading to defensiveness or reluctance to participate. It's important to foster a culture of openness and learning to encourage constructive feedback and continuous improvement. Logistics and coordination is another challenge. Organizing and conducting inspection meetings, distributing artifacts, documenting findings, and managing follow-up actions require effective coordination and communication. This becomes even more complex when dealing with remote teams or large projects. Finally, maintaining momentum can be difficult. The initial enthusiasm for the process can wane over time, especially if the benefits are not immediately visible or if the process becomes tedious. It's crucial to keep the team engaged, recognize their contributions, and regularly reinforce the value of software inspection. While these challenges can be daunting, the benefits of software inspection far outweigh the difficulties. The process is a catalyst for improved software quality, knowledge sharing, and risk mitigation. With the right approach and mindset, these challenges can be turned into opportunities for learning and growth, paving the way for successful software projects. To sum it up, software inspection is a powerful tool in the software development process. It's a systematic approach to examining software artifacts, with a keen eye on defect detection, quality improvement, knowledge sharing, compliance with standards, and risk mitigation. Its key components include preparation, the inspection meeting, the review process, follow-up actions, and finally, feedback and learning. Each component plays a vital role in ensuring the software's quality and reliability. However, like any process, it has its challenges. These range from the allocation of time and resources, subjectivity in reviews, resistance to feedback, logistics and coordination, to maintaining momentum. But despite these hurdles, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. As we've seen, software inspection is a critical practice for any software development team aiming to deliver high-quality software solutions. So the next time you use a bug-free app, remember, a thorough software inspection process might be behind it. Thank you for watching.